everyone? Los Cut It back at it. We are in downtown Miami for a project that's gonna take place here in the beautiful Miami. Let me show you guys the view that we're working with right now. Check it out. Only in Miami. Today's gonna be a very productive day. We have a lot of shootings, a lot of filming to do that I want to share with you guys, a lot of behind the scenes. Now, Allison Cuts is about to cut me up, but she's in the bathroom getting ready because we have Directed by Los in the building. Every time we have Directed by Los in the building, you have to film. You cannot not film if Directed by Los is in the building. And you know what's crazy? I just said Directed by Los. His name is Directed by Carlos, and just earlier he was like, yo, I want to switch it up to Directed by Los. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. We gotta go bother Allison so we can get a cut. What up, man? A few words for the vlog?
What up, man? Dude, check it out. We're getting a little real skiing.
Oh, we're doing a sneak peek?
Get a quick little sneak peek.
Oh!
And fun fact of the day, if you want nice looking professional video, get yourself a stabilizer. For example, this is what I'm using. It stabilizes, make sure everything's smooth. So when I'm recording this, it helps smooth out the movement. So when I walk around it.
Wow. That's all with the phone?
Fun fact, yeah, all with the phone.
You're flying the drone for this one?
Yeah, we are. The point of the video is drone's gonna come right here, facing that way, and then it's gonna slowly back up, back up, back up. And then as it backs up, Los is gonna come through from this door, knock on Allison's door, which is this. Like, yo, you ready for the cut? He's gonna walk on over here. As the drone comes here, he's gonna follow it. Los is gonna sit down right here in this chair. Allison's gonna come right behind, throw the cake, and then that's where the video starts.
She's getting ready. Oh, you ready? Damn, girl.
Oh my god.
Fucking tasting that shit.
How are you guys? I'm Allison Cuts. We are here in Miami.
Say this before.
Because I'm not extra. But no, I'm about to cut Los Teto's hair, so you guys stay tuned.
Let's go. Let's give me a movie. Ready? Let's go.
Another fun fact. Go to your Instagram, go to settings, go to accounts, go to data usage, and turn on high quality uploads. Make sure that you get that. Make sure you turn that on. The videos and photos are gonna look crispy.
Awesome.
Super
Allison,
crispy.
the world wants to know.
Super crispy.
Are you nervous?
No.
At all?
No.
If you see me wearing a hat for the remainder of the video, now you know.
And you're gonna hear the knock, wait like 2-3 seconds.
Okay.
And then Love's gonna come through over here. Jay walks in the door.
Oh! Cat's in here!
Are you on live or something?
Yeah, he's on that.
Oh my god.
She's on live, I'm not on live.
Anyways, he's gonna come through, you know, all chill, right? Ready to get this cut. Probably takes his hat off, puts it on the couch. He's gonna sit down, and then like 2-3 seconds after that, he's gonna grab the cake and pull it up.
You guys see it? Allison, are you ready for your debut?
Super ready.
All right, we're about to do the shot right now. Hold on. Oh, that's so sick.
Heck?
I still got the bowl. Check it out, guys.
Haircut's all done. She hooked me up. I'm only wearing a hat because it goes with the outfit, so no personal.
All right, guys, so we dropped the reel. As soon as we look back at it, like what, 15 minutes later, no sound.
No song.
We're like, yo, what happened?
Directed, Los Cut It, still fuck up. I can't even pull this bad boy out without Jay saying.
It's vlogging
I
time.
can't get over Vince's hair though.
I grew it for 2 years and then I cut a few inches off like maybe like a month or two ago, and now we're about to get this mullet.
What's up, everybody? Here in the studio with Manny, level 3. So that team's on their way here to the studio anytime. So hope you're registered.
Yo, we just pulled up to the studio, man. I hope we don't get into those serious interviews. I'm not in the mood.
Imagine.
Like, I'm supposed to come tomorrow and focus and kill and educate. Today I'm just chilling, but I would hate to get on camera right now. I'm like super chill vibes.
Pick up the fifth, guys. You can barely
I decided to go with these warm tones, these very soft tones.
You got the pastel colors.
I got the pastel, you got the dark,
Nice.
you got the earthy, and she got the
Nude.
fire.
Nude,
That's the fire,
ooh, I
right?
like that.
Fire.
And Jay?
Jay got the
Jay's always-
presidential. Fitted. I seen a man with the measurements make him the shirt, literally. Let's go.
My name is Alex. My brother.
Oh, man, he's got me a badass model. What's up, man? Los? You've been hyping me up, man. I've been seeing these stories. I'm like, okay.
We're here to make people shine so they look and feel their best and they can help the most people possible.
Absolutely.
know?
Like Jay was saying, it might be way too advanced for people to grasp on. This is more of your common look that's gonna walk into a salon, your shop. Good looking model, good looking hair. This is what's in now, the crop, messy look. So what I'm thinking is if you wanna make people be more relevant, explain on situations like this. We have somebody walking in who already had a previous design. How can we fake this design? Why is this a problem? How can we solve it? I'm gonna show you. Share with you guys how to clean this into an actual fade. Then where most times people will see something like this, they think, you don't even need a haircut. It's already really short. What are you gonna cut off? Which is the most common thing I get from my family. I'm also gonna share with you the difference in what people with no trained eye see, that when you don't need a haircut to how much more we could clean it up and recreate a fade. But at the same time, how can we throw a signature on there that'll make it stand out from the rest? You wanna do a small little design. Whether he has a fro that we're cutting down or something short like this, the steps are exactly the same. And that's how I'm gonna break it down. And I'm gonna explain why to me a number 4 guard is equivalent to finger length with shears, which is the easiest way to transition from shears to clippers. I could be able to break out a lot of knowledge just because there's a lot of problems and what we can create and how we can enhance, how we can style. What's going on, everyone? It's Los Cut It. We're at Style Live Studio.
Coming at you right from Winter, Florida.
This is insane. This is crazy. Hundreds of thousands of students worldwide watching me educate for the next years to come. Who knows? It's crazy.
Hungry.
Can we go
Hangry. So,
ceviche? Ceviche. Ceviche.
Ceviche.
Ceviche.
Yo, we just pulled up in my favorite seafood spot.
I love ceviche.
Alright, so
She about to be.
safe to say I think everyone's gonna be satisfied.
Get you a friend that can buy you dinner.
Crack the lobster for you.
But hold on. Earlier today, we had a class scheduled for 1 p.m. It was one model, and I was really focused on that because the lady really emphasized on getting it done to perfection, which I'm gonna try to do. But they included another model at 9 a.m., which is this guy. Now we're gonna create some like a mullet, some type of magic in it. But now I kind of want to plan it before we just go cutting live. Well,
What are some key factors you have to look for when you're looking for a new type of hairstyle?
First thing I look for, the density. I gotta make sure how thick it is. From far away, just because he has a lot of long hair doesn't mean he has a lot of hair, right? I lift his hair up, and if I'm able to see his scalp, my bed, right off the bat, it's not as thick as I thought it was gonna be.
It's time.
It's all.
What are your thoughts, Vince? What's going through your head right now?
Just very, very excited. You know, it's been a while since I've had a fresh cut. You know.
Another one better than the homie.
Pressure's on. The pressure's on.
No pressure at all, man.
No, but listen, like, for you
He's a bad
barbers out there that have 0 to no experience, best way to tackle anything is just to tackle it. So this right here is intimidating. Even for somebody like me that has a consultation with a guy like him and tells me like, no one has ever cut my hair right, no one's ever done me right, that amount of pressure they bring on is real, but we're about to just tackle it.
Yeah, bro. I trust them. You know, no pressure at all.
All set? We mic'd up, ready to go. Interview 1, let's go. Look, a lot of the time one can get intimidated when you have all this going on, but at the end of the day, if you go back to just being at a barbershop on a busy Saturday and there's people everywhere and everyone's cutting and you're just in your zone, that's where the mindset gotta be. When you're in the zone, you work proper, you work normal. You can't let any of this get to you.
That's the
even if
thing
you got
right
a TV
there.
in front of you, even if you got a TV in
That's
front
the
of you, you can
zinger
see
right
yourself.
there. We got Nina on deck too.
What
Shout
up?
out Nina.
I'm probably more nervous because she's here. No, but I'm like,
Because you actually
sweating.
No.
So we don't have bobby pins, so it's up to level 3 wax pomade to hold this man's mullet coming up. Feels good. We good?
You know, we got the vet, the goat, living me fresh.
Yeah. Hey, we're gonna throw a sick video with the Bookie's soundtrack to this. Come on, it's only right. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Alright, fun fact of the day, guys. Instagram likes, comments, and likes. That's cool, right? But what it appreciates now more than ever is shares. So if you do share it on your story and you save it for another day, you're set.
Yeah, here. If I'm working on the side, and then whenever I decide to go towards the front, so you'll be able to see. So I'll never have my back towards the camera. Yeah. Right? So it's like,
Can I see how he's gonna rotate it?
yeah, so then I'll rotate him, and if I gotta do this side, it'll be the same concept. I'll work from the front, and if I need to get behind him, I can work like this. Can you do cartwheels? No, you can't. Can we do it before we go live?
No.
I'm gonna stand here so you don't fall on none of the equipment.
I used to.
Imagine she goes one hand, snaps that shit.
I like. If this video gets 200 likes, she'll probably end up doing
Say this vlog, if it hits 10,000 views on YouTube,
Oh, Jay.
I'll send you some hands.
Jay reaching for the fucking stars and shit. No, deadass. Let's be more reasonable. 5,000 views, because that's, you know, okay.
That's reasonable.
5,000 views, I promise you. And she's here. She'll do a cartwheel.
Bro.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I'll do it. I'll do it.
She's gonna do a cartwheel if I get 5,000 views on here.
You really gonna do it?
I mean, I'm gonna try.
This is not a shirt.
Okay, Corey. In 5, 4.
See you next time, and thank you, Los, and thank you, Level 3. Hey, look, there was more people watching this one than the other ones we've done. From start to finish.
We made history.
So we just finished, and that one had more people watching it than any of the other events we did with Malaysia.
And it was just Barber.
And it was barbering, which is like, you know, the smallest niches.
I read a comment on there.
With schools.
A girl said, "This made my decision easy. I'm going to Barber."
Wow.
So you just
That was right on, man. That was
It's
good.
changing lives out here. A design, a fade. We took off a design that he had and recreated the fade. We styled the hair. We put product, knowledge, experience, all in 90 minutes. Okay, guys, so this is our final look. 90 minutes of recreating a haircut that looked like it was already cut. Los_cut_it. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, that was it. The Miami vlog. It was a hell of a ride. Thank you to Jay for providing the platform that he did. Allison Cuts. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned a couple things. But for now, make sure you check out what's coming next. Vlog.7. Let's go. All right, guys, so unfortunately, the next vlog was supposed to be Dubai. I had recorded so much footage, 5 days, 3 days in the hair show. It was amazing content, but unfortunately, my memory card crashed on me and I lost all the footage. At least I think I did. I am trying and I'm working hard to get the footage back, but for the meantime, the next vlog will be something I'll be shooting this week before I fly out to Orlando premiere, and we're gonna bring you some dope education, maybe some photo shoots, some street photo shoots. I don't know yet, I'm gonna think about it, but for now, to make up for not having Dubai footage, not only am I giving away the Los Cut Go book bag for this vlog, I'm also gonna give away an exclusive before they go on sale, Los Cut Go hat, color of your choice, whichever one you want. I'll figure out a way to select the winner on that. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Let's go.